A quick look of the YouTube homepage will show that there are thousands of creators with millions of views. Many of the more popular creators make six-figure incomes after finding their niche. If you see yourself as a potential creator, why not try one of these YouTube channel ideas without having to even show your face? And you might be the next big creator on this platform. Before we get into the video, make sure to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. Number 10. Education. While this may seem like a broad recommendation, there are always new ways to educate the public. Maybe you have excellent command of a second language. Maybe you weren't always like that. What methods helped you learn a second language and then gain fluency? The information can be presented in an informative way, aided by photographs and videos that help your instruction if you want to teach a second language. You can also possibly replace languages with any other subject you took a liking to and that you have mastered in some way. Perhaps building a course tailored to specific needs is what you might be most equipped for. Education does not stop at subjects, though. In college, for example, some people have better organizational skills than others. Did you develop any tips or tricks that helped you work smarter and not harder? There are a host of potential students that are simply waiting for your advice on whichever area you deem fit. Number 9. Food. Who isn't a foodie nowadays? Maybe the next best channel you can create is related more to this passion than many others. Try to find out what interests you first. For example, do you normally follow a vegetarian diet or pescatarian? And seek to share what you know with others. You can guide them to where they can find the best deals, how they can maximize their pantry, how to go about meal prep, or share recipes that you yourself have found, tried, and tested. Since YouTube is essentially a global platform, do not be afraid to share what food means to you in your own unique culture. Use your knowledge of your own cultural heritage regarding food to leverage this on a larger scale, especially to those who may not know the customs associated with the food, how it should be cooked, or relevance of the dish in your local culture. There are any number of things you can do regarding food. Consider the YouTube Shorts format also for faster cooking tutorials or tidbits that catch the eye and can generate a lot more views in this way, or even go around to nearby restaurants to showcase and highlight the restaurants that are close by or even a little further away. Maybe the next most popular YouTube channel could be yours. Number 8. Lists. One idea that could make you stand out from the rest without needing to put your face in any of your videos can be top 10 lists. The advantage here is that you can choose to focus on one topic, such as cool history facts. This format holds an advantage of being succinct enough to guarantee clicks, as long as you make use of a catchy title and a captivating thumbnail, but detailed enough that if the viewer is interested, they may possibly return again to see what next you have to offer. Your lists can be scary, funny, insightful, any angle that you prefer to capture the key audience you are trying to address. Find what interests you, whether it be about the USSR and Stalin or the Queen of England. There are a host of interesting facts throughout different time periods, whether it be the Middle Ages to contemporary times, to be shared now with the world that can make you the next viral channel. Number 7. Local or world news. There's always a new hot button topic to discuss. What new developments may be happening at home or abroad, whether it be politically, socially, or economically. You can be as general or as specific as you'd like to be. Maybe the most recent developments in technology and cutting-edge gadgets appeal to you more. If so, go for it. Don't hold back on your research, and by extension, what you can share with the world. Simply make sure to fact-check to ensure you maintain reliability as a source and try to present your news in a unique way that will be sure to catch the eye. Good luck! And since we are on the topic of tech, number 6. Reviews. There are some channels that built the foundation for what we know as tech reviews on YouTube nowadays. Think MKBHD or the like. Clean videos, crisp editing, and fair and informative assessments of the product being discussed. You can do this too, and yes, without ever having to appear on camera. If tech is your interest, then be sure to make the product the focus of the video, whether it be a new phone or other gadget that everyone is talking about. You can be the person to help others decide if what they are looking to buy is the right fit for them. You are the expert here, so make it count. Apart from the tech review format, you have the power to review anything you find an interest in. If tech is not for you, review a book, Maybe you have a penchant for New York Times bestsellers or autobiographies. Whatever your interest, feel free to share and be honest about what you did and did not like about the book, or other topics you're reviewing. You have the freedom to choose what you can and will devote your time to reviewing. You can review your favorite music, favorite films, or do the opposite and say why you did not like a particular album or film. The options are endless, and once you have established yourself as a reliable source, you will be sure to build your audience in time. Number 5. Celebrity gossip. The allure of celebrities seems to continually interest the public, and most are interested in their personal lives. Though researching the lives of others may not interest all creators, you can stick with this particular topic and see where it takes them. If not any current issue concerning a celebrity, consider the approach of deep dives, focusing on one celebrity and their life or origin story at length. Though ultimately this may be more time-consuming, you can narrate the full length of your video or hire someone to, and create an interesting history of a person while including little-known facts about that person. For those who settle into this niche, it will never get boring. Number 4. Music and art. For the creators that know they have the talent of music or art, you have the opportunity to create a space to showcase that. Many rising artists have also been found on YouTube. Even if you are not interested in showing your face, keep in mind that you can still capitalize on the type of channel you create. For visual artists, like graphic designers, you can even try to discuss certain topics and create cartoons or other sketches to accompany your stories. If not your personal stories, why not illustrate someone else's? Or a moment in history? The possibilities for illustration itself are endless. Your talent can take you as far as you want it to. For the fans of music, you can make compilations of your favorite albums, upload interviews of your favorite musicians, make covers of other songs or mashups, and even try a remix if you have a flair for production. Think about what you like to see on YouTube, and maybe you can come even closer to creating what you want to see. Make it entertaining, fun, and soon enough, you may also go viral doing just what you love. Number 3. Life hacks. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But what if it is? And is there an easier way to fix it as far as you know? Life hacks continue to be one of the more regularly popular channels due to their originality and ingenuity. If you've always found that you have had the penchant for solving problems and have an efficient way of going about it, try your hand at this channel that is sure to generate a lot of attention. Always feel free to research into things. That way you can set yourself apart from competition while ensuring that you become a sought-after channel because there is some reliability in your recommendations. Whatever tips or tricks you have developed in your own personal life, even if it's just in one area, should still be shared. Once you have found a more effective or efficient way to do something, try to share this. The opportunity may also arise for you to include some product placement that could also help with sponsorships. With enough work, this can become a profitable venture once you combine your ideas and present them in a way that seems both fresh and innovative. Number 2. Unboxing. Some channels that may have started off as general entertainment have found their footing with unboxing videos. Whatever the product may be, audiences flock to these series of videos for several reasons. Depending on the hype surrounding a particular product, if you can get your hands on it earlier than your general audience, you can then provide a sneak peek into something that may not have otherwise been available to them. Think about what makes it interesting for you, and ensure the product or item is on full display. Depending on what it is, you can showcase through your voice alone how you feel about what you have just unboxed. Don't be afraid to be detailed. Enjoy every moment of what you do, and make recommendations if you feel the need to. The more unique or sought after the item, the more likely that you might get the kind of recognition that you are looking for. However, never sacrifice quantity for quality. You don't have to unbox every week in order to make a video that engages with your audience. Before we get into number 1, don't forget to check out the link in the description for a free YouTube training that will reveal to you the biggest secret of making money on YouTube. And make sure to hit the subscribe button for more valuable content. Number 1. Gaming. Whether you are a casual player or a pro, YouTube Gaming, launched in 2015, offers the platform for both alike. You can play with friends and have the opportunity to live stream, camera switched off of course, or even play against random strangers to test or showcase your skills. If there is a game that has always interested you but you have never felt comfortable playing, live streaming while playing would also be quite popular for some viewers on YouTube. If you consider yourself less of a player, the option also exists to create compilations of other players, with their permission, or to focus on explaining what may be going on in any particular game to help others with your tutorial. The potential to expand into other areas, collaborate with other players, and even brands is there, waiting to be unlocked. Find your favorite game or establish a theme your gaming channel will focus on, and get started today. Make sure to check out the next video to learn how to start your faceless channel step by step in the right way. See you there.